Would you do anything to get happiness? Would you do anything to change your life? Well, anything legal to change your life? Most people would. So why don't you start today, tonight, right now, by retraining your brain to produce the preferred chemical. We all know that thoughts create an emotion, and an emotion is a chemical that is released in the brain. So that a negative thought is going to release a chemical that makes you feel sad or depressed or keeps you where it wants you to be, but you can retrain your brain to reach for a different thought. So when you catch yourself wanting to think really negative about something, change the thought immediately and reach for the highest emotion that you can, good emotion. So something like happiness. We know that happiness is actually the most contagious of all of the emotions. It gives out a pheromone that other people can catch. So every time you think negative, change that thought. You change that thought, it automatically changes the emotion that's released, and then you think completely different. You start to do different things. This is really simple, guys. The hardest thing is getting past the inertia that just keeps you stuck where it wants you to be. But where do you want to be? And which one is more important? The sad and the depression, or where you would prefer to be? If you are willing to do anything legal to change your life, then let's start right now. Go and watch the TV and see if you can train your brain to only think positive things when you're watching those images on TV.